Hey you guys, so today instead of making jewelry, I decided to bring you along on the journey of me making my gold posters. So in this video, you're going to get to see what my gold posters currently look like and what's on there. And then I'm going to be adding 2 new ones because it's been a long time since I've redone my gold posters. It's been a couple of years. And so I feel like it's time to freshen it up, freshen up my goals, and highlight some new things that I would love to accomplish. And so what do you do when you get in a rut, right? You clean up, or you declutter, or you straighten up your environment. And so one thing that the Lord has laid on my heart is to revisit my passion, my goals, because a lot of times when you set your goals and when you achieve your goals, depending on what they are, then sometimes you're like, I'm uninspired, right? Or you think you're bored, or you think that you're failing or stuck in a rut, but really you're just uninspired because you've already achieved the things you set out to do, or maybe you walked away from them, right? So now's a perfect opportunity to get re-inspired. Hey you guys, so listen, I know normally I would be making earrings, right? But I have been putting off redoing my gold posters. Oh my gosh, I've had this paper, this poster board, and these stickers for at least 3 weeks or longer. So today what I thought I would do was invite you along on the journey of making my gold posters. Now I may not share all of my pictures that I put on here because I believe some stuff you just have to keep private, but I will show you how I go about putting it together and what I'm thinking about doing. So these are going to be 2 of my newest business gold posters, and I will show you pictures of the ones I already have upstairs. I keep them outside my bathroom so that I can see them, touch them. I don't pray over them every day like I should, but I'm planning to do better about that. So these are some really beautiful border stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. Bless you both, my puppy sneezed. So I'm going to use those on here. And then these are the numbers, and there's 30. You get them, they're 30 peel and stick numbers. And they go on the back as well. So it's 2 sides. So you should have plenty of numbers to do your numerical goals if that's what you want to put on your poster. And I just thought that these stickers would be really pretty to make border edges along the posters and then fill in the center with the pictures. What do you guys think? So it's the perfect time of year because it is September. So as we're going into the 4th quarter of the year is a perfect time. I got the neon yellow and the neon green. But let me show you what my posters upstairs look like. So this is the gold poster that I have outside my bathroom upstairs. So this first one is for Launch It 30 Days to Greatness, 6-Figure Success with Biblical Principles. And this one is completely aligned with my goals for coaching, my goals for my women's conferences and ministry business, and all about glorifying God in the earth realm. And then the other side is about getting in shape. My desire is to have a beach home. Anybody that knows me knows that. And then this is my dream home. These are places I would love to travel, places I would love to go. And then, of course, just some selfish goals for bags and jewelry that I would love to have. This particular board relates to getting out of debt, not having any credit card debt, owing no man nothing but love, right? It's my real estate goal poster. This one is part Glam It. I think mostly Glam It. So this is how I've gone about putting the boards together and what they look like. And so I still have a few more items that I need to get to finish the board downstairs, but this is just what my older gold posters look screenshot like. Of those. So these on this side I actually did on white paper, and I'm not really sure which ones I like better, but I love all the stickers and all the glitter and all that jazz. So you can use anything you want. Anyway, I was saying you can use anything you want to put together your gold poster. So this would be a great idea. It's like for any ministry, scriptures that you want to put. You can get these for $1. There's 100 colored index cards. They come in yellow, green, pink, and blue. And they have lines on them. So you can even use these. There's no green in here. I don't know what they're talking about. There's 2 blue, yellow, and pink. But anyway, I digress. So you can even use something like that on your gold poster. You could do glitter. So remember the other day when I did the Dollar General tour, and all the stuff they had there for gold posters. So just think about that. You can use those. I've not had enough coffee because I keep cutting my sentences off, and I know you're like, oh, what are you talking about? But anyway, here are all the Sharpies I got as well. So those are tons of things that you're gonna need to create your gold poster with. along with a big chunky Sharpie if you want to write in huge bold letters. I mean, but these are all the things I've gotten from Walmart. I got all the markers. You already know that if you watch my jewelry videos. Dollar Tree for all of these things, the stickers, the poster board, the numbers, even the index cards. So I'm just gathering everything up. So when I get ready to do it, I'll have everything I need. Now you're gonna need some magazines. Now I don't have a lot of magazines, but of course you can get those from anybody, right? If your family has magazines, your mom and dad, my parents have tons of magazines because they have subscriptions. I think that's what it's called. Or you can even get magazines from the Dollar Tree, or you can print things offline. So a lot of the stuff you saw upstairs, I printed those off the computer. So if you don't want to use up all your ink, then a magazine would be a good way to go. So I started putting the stickers on. Of course, I did that off camera because look, I was going to try to do it on camera and I got the edging off a little bit. So I've already started putting the stickers on. And what I did was I pulled them off in whole pieces and put them down because I wanted to use the whole thing. But as you'll see that, you know, a lot of these, they just peel right off and they are so cute. So I'm just placing them kind of randomly anywhere. And the reason I'm doing that is because the way I like to do my gold posters is I like to put down all the little doodads and the extra pieces and then fill in with the photos and then look and see where I need to place other stuff. So I don't always start with, normally I don't start with the pictures or with the photos. Now, of course, you can, and then what I could have done was separated all these stickers out because each of these is an individual sticker. So like if you pull that up, the white piece is separate, the blue piece is separate, the square is separate. But I just decided to keep them all together because I like the look of it. So I'm gonna need to run to the store to get one more thing of stickers to fill in and see what else I want to add to it. But this is just to give you an idea of what it's starting out looking like, just putting on the edging. But I want some more square borders here and here. I want it to be like squares at the end of each of the borders. So the other thing I want is, even though I like these stickers and they're pretty bold, and I'm not saying I'm not going to use them. Remember when I was at the Dollar General? Well, I have to take Caleb to college class today anyway. He goes to Campbell, yay. If for those of you that didn't know, that in Fayetteville area, North Carolina, you know what that is. Great school, private Christian college. God is so good. He got scholarship money to go there, and so it's just an incredible school, so we're proud of him. And Miriam is in a Christian high school, so she's there today and she's enjoying school. She at first wanted to do online school, and I was like, well, nope, because they had an online option. But I just feel like babies need social skills. At least my baby does. So that's what's up for today on mom duty as it relates to that. I have real estate clients today, so I'm super busy, but I really want to get this started. I won't get it finished today probably, but I at least want to get it started. So anyway, I'm rambling. My coffee hasn't processed. I want to go get the gold glitter numbers. That's what I was trying to say. And some gold glitter letters. And guess what? You know all the stickers and stuff we have to make jewelry with? You can even use those stickers on your gold poster. You could figure out a way to incorporate those as well. So they're going to be pretty huge. So super excited. But remember these? I got these from, I think, Michael's. Yeah, because they're the Recollections brand. They're going to be so cute. So I'm going to open these up right quick and let me show you how I'm going to use these. They are going to be adorable. I'm hoping I can use my hands and pull them off at the same time while I'm talking to you. So look, I'm going to put them up in there. Now, you can use glue too because this is going to be hanging on the wall, so you don't want them to come off sticking to my finger. But look how cute that is. Again, you could glue these down if you want, or just press them really firmly because their paper should stick. So this is the first time I've actually used any little bling elements on my gold posters, but it's gonna be so cute. And look, there's tons of them. I could not possibly use all this in my jewelry anyway, so look how cute that's gonna be. So I may do different ones. I think I'm gonna do the pearl stickers that I have on that side. So those don't want to cooperate. Let's try to make it symmetrical. That's an ongoing joke in my house with my kids. Cute. Forgive me for being quiet, just focused. So, trying to get some of these on here before I have to get Caleb out of here. Well, he's driving, I'm riding. I'm not gonna be a passenger because they actually have a training call. So, for those of you that are following me in business, you know that I've launched a weight loss business with Tava. So we're getting ready to do a retail training call in a few minutes. So I'm gonna jump on there. And I'm gonna come back and make sure, as I'm finishing this too, that these are sticking like they need to be. So we'll check those, make sure. Yeah, they're sticking. So, how cute is that? Sorry for the shadow. The chair is in front of the poster. So cute. So, bling out your gold poster. Anything you want to use. I mean, you can do this so inexpensively because these are about $3.99, but with a 50% off coupon, I mean, what is that? $2? So, you can do that. Come on. Details, but remember these, I got these from, I think Michael's, yeah, because they're the Recollections brand. They're gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna open these up right quick and let me show you how I'm gonna use these. They are gonna be adorable. And I can use my hands and pull them off at the same time while I'm talking to you. So look, I'm gonna put them up in there. Now you can use glue too because this is gonna be hanging on the wall, so you don't want them to come off sticking to my finger. But look how cute that is. Again, you could glue these down if you want or just press them really firmly because they're paper, it should stick. So, this is the first time I've actually used any little bling elements on my gold posters, but it's gonna be so cute. And look, there's tons of them. I could not possibly use all this in my jewelry. Anyway, so look how cute that's gonna be. So I may do different ones. I think I'm gonna do the pearl stickers that I have on that side. So those don't want to cooperate. Let's try to make it symmetrical. That's an ongoing joke in my house with my kids. Cute. Forgive me for being quiet, just focused. So, trying to get some of these on here before I have to get Caleb out of here. Well, he's driving, I'm riding. I'm not gonna be a passenger because they actually have a training call. So, for those of you that are following me in business, you know that I've launched a weight loss business with Tava. So we're getting ready to do a retail training call in a few minutes. So I'm gonna jump on there. And I'm gonna come back and make sure, as I'm finishing this too, that these are sticking like they need to be. So we'll check those, make sure. Yeah, they're sticking. So, how cute is that? Sorry for the shadow. The chair is in front of the poster. So cute. So, bling out your gold poster. Anything you want to use. I mean, you can do this so inexpensively because these are about $3.99, but with a 50% off coupon, I mean, what is that? $2? So, you can do that. Just in case, I cut the video on because I didn't want you all to hear Miriam telling me that I was making them crazy about having them do the dishes. Anyway, I'm trying to tear this open. Miriam, come open this for me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have Miriam open the glitter letters for me. I think it peels from the bottom somehow. You wanna say hi? She doesn't wanna say hi. You can say hi without being on camera. Hi. Okay, look y'all, I got the pearls on the edges. And today I picked up, she's just getting those open for us. I'm gonna have to cut it off the top. She's opening that up for me. So I got some gold glitter shimmer letters because remember I was gonna use these. So now all I got to do is cut out my photos, and I do want to do that, and I'm going to put my numbers on this on the boards for my income goals that I want to hit for this year. And when I say this year, I mean like starting fourth quarter going into next year. So I'm setting some really great goals. So look how pretty these are. So I got these from Dollar General. Remember last week or the week before last, I did a tour. So I went back, they were $2.50, and there are 72 of the glitter letters in here. So you have plenty to do stuff with, but what I realize is if I don't have enough numbers, because I'm setting some really big goals, if I end up not having enough numbers, I'm gonna use those black ones over there because I was being cheap. I had a pair of crystal ones in my hand, and I had these gold ones, and I'm like, I'm not spending $5 on stickers. I just could not bring myself to do it. Plus, they might have had these at Dollar Tree, but there's not a Dollar Tree in the town where my son goes to school. So anyway, look how pretty those are. So I figure what I will do is I will use rhinestones on these on one poster, and then I'll use the gold glitter on another poster. So next time we come back together, this gives you time to put together all your gold poster ideas while I cut out the pictures and everything else. So on the second part to this video, you're gonna see that's where I start adding all of my my income goals, and my picture goals. So go get your stuff, and on part 2, we'll be able to do our posters together, okay? God bless you all. I'm Girl Linda Price. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You know I love it when you do that. And my next video, I have an encouraging word from the Lord from this morning, and I'm gonna share that tonight.